Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again today. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network doing a walk around on this 2009 Jeep Wrangler. Doing a walk around on this 2009 Jeep Wrangler. 60,648 miles on it. About 4,900 per year. It's got 17-inch aftermarket wheels, 33-inch Mickey Thompson tires with about 80-85% tread life remaining. Detonator yellow over gray vinyl interior. Set up for trails, of course. It's got the KC lights, the aftermarket metal front bumper with winch that has the controller inside. Aftermarket grille, making it look quite mean, in my honest opinion. Does have some chipping on the hood. There is also a line from where they had a decal or something on the hood here that kept part of it from fading. But we're not going to put paintwork on an unpainted 13-year-old Jeep. Other than that, this Jeep is in amazing condition. It's got running boards, no dents, dings, or scratches down the passenger side, an aftermarket steel rear bumper, a matching rear tire and wheel. No scratch, dings, or dents on the driver's side as well. Also, it's had the mirrors moved forward from here to here so that you can remove the doors and still have your rear view mirrors. Like I said, it's set up for off-road and for enjoying it. As you can see, there's no rips or tears or holes in your vinyl top. Let's take a look at the interior of this Jeep. Taking a look at the interior of the Jeep. Again, it was pretty well taken care of. There's no frayed stitching and no holes or rips, tears, anything like that in the vinyl seats. Let's take a look at the rear seats now. Taking a look at the rear seats, very clean. Again, no rips or tears or holes. Very little wear at all, to be honest. Most of the time these get removed when people go out on the trails, but no way to be sure, except to say that it's very clean. Let's do a startup on the Jeep. As you can see, it has 60,648 miles and no warning lights except for that one. That is the TPMS, or tire pressure monitoring system. It is most likely because of the aftermarket wheels and tires, not something that's going to be able to go away. It has perfect plastics on the stocks, on the steering wheel, on the dashboard. It has an aftermarket stereo, a lot of options on it, AM, FM, USB, DVD player, Bluetooth. It also has GPS installed. It was definitely not standard. This is more of an off-road Jeep. There you go. It gives you your speed, speed limit. Quite nice. Then there is the SD card slot, CD slot, and that's where the GPS chip is installed. The air is on, and it is ice cold, which is needed here in Florida. It has an aftermarket shift knob, which I find funny. And this is the four-wheel drive. We'll go ahead and engage that now, which you can see there. All the way down to four-wheel drive low, which is right there. Turns off the traction control. and then back again. It goes off. It's quite the little off-road Jeep. Clutch is in great shape. Catches very low. Nice little off-road Jeep.